How to use Canva templates to design faster. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply open your Canva, make sure you're logged into your account. So from here, you can simply tap on the create icon right here, and on your create, you can now simply search for the exact template that you are looking for, right? So in here, we also have multiple things, like if you want to create a reel, let's just say, you can tap on social media, and in here, you can now select Instagram and select Instagram reel, just like this. And then from here, you can now search for exact templates that you want. So let's just say I want to create a vlog. Then what I'm gonna do is simply type down vlog, just like this. Sorry, let's just type a vlog. Then you can search for it, and in here you can see these are all of the templates. If you want to select any of them, then you can simply tap on them, and in here you can now add in your media and create yourself a daily vlog using your Canva templates. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.